Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete contact on Gmail. Friends, due to any reason if you want to delete contacts saved in your Google account, then you simply need to open your Gmail app. In your Gmail app you need to press on the profile icon. Here you need to press on Google account. Now here you will find many options. You need to press on people and sharing, and here press on contacts. Now here you will find all the contacts synced from your mobile phone, contacts saved from your Gmail accounts like emails auto saved while sending the emails. Then you need to press on these three lines and here press on other contacts. Now here you will find all the email addresses saved from your Gmail account. Now here you can very easily delete or edit any contact. You simply need to select the contacts. From here you can select all contacts. Now it will select the complete list, and from here you can print, export or delete all the selected emails. In my case I don't want to delete all my email addresses. Like you can see it has selected 750 emails. So I will only delete one email ID, this one. For that I will unselect all selected emails and select this email and press on these three dots and here press on delete. Now it is saying these contacts will be permanently deleted from this account after 30 days. Now you can confirm it by pressing on delete. Now your contact is moved to bin. So friends, like this you can very easily delete contacts from Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.